Hi, I'm Paul Perdue, and I am the infrastructure nerd. And today we're going to talk about boundaries and expectations. I love old buildings. I love old neighborhoods. I love everything that's old, probably because I'm old. And I also walk. I walk every morning. So recently I was in Indianapolis. Coming back from dinner to my hotel, I had noticed a series of buildings in the middle of an industrial neighborhood that were like an old warehouse that had been redesigned and repurposed and looked really neat. I couldn't tell what it was. And so I made a mental note that the next morning when I was walking, I would try and get to that point and walk around that neighborhood and see what that was. So as I was walking the next morning, it's a 30-minute walk, so I will walk out 15 minutes and then pretty much just turn around and walk back. As I was approaching that group of buildings, I was also approaching my 15-minute mark. And I really made a conscious decision, or thought I was going to have to make a conscious decision to go a little bit extra to try and get there, and I wasn't really sure whether I was going to do that. I was set on a boundary of 30 minutes for my walk, and although I wanted to get to this extra point and see these buildings and walk through this neighborhood that I had noticed, I was also at a point where my mental boundary was saying when I get to 15 minutes I should turn around and walk back because it's a 30-minute walk. I think we do this with a lot of different things in our lives. We set a mental boundary for where we want to be, where we think we should be, and we go to that point and we don't take the extra time or effort to go just a little bit further, even though there may be something just beyond that boundary that we want to see. So that's my rant for today. What's yours?